In the very beginning, before the world we know took shape, there was only a vast and silent void, waiting for light. Then God spoke into the darkness. "Let there be light." And a magnificent, warm, golden glow burst forth, vibrant and powerful. The light was separated from the darkness, marking the first transition of day and night in the new creation. On the second day, the waters were divided, creating a vast, calm blue atmosphere above. The sky stretched out, pristine and bright. Soft, wispy clouds began to form in the heavens, catching the gentle morning light of a world coming to life. Then the dry land appeared. Earth rose from beneath the waters, forming grand continents and deep, surging blue oceans. The land flourished with life. Lush green trees, vibrant flowers, and swaying grass covered the earth in a coat of many colors. God placed lights in the heavens, a warm sun to rule the day, and a glowing moon with sparkling stars for the night. The entire solar system took its place, with planets and light particles dancing in the magnificent expanse of space. Then the waters teemed with life. Schools of colorful fish swam through the clear depths of the newly made seas. Flocks of birds took to the sky, flying freely across the horizon with joyful motion, filling the air with their songs. Animals of every kind appeared on the land. Lions, elephants, and deer roamed the meadows in perfect peace. Finally, God created humans in His own image, placing them in a beautiful garden to care for this new world. Seeing that all He had made was very good, God rested on the seventh day and blessed it, marking a time of peace. God's creation is a beautiful gift. From the first light to the final rest, His work remains perfect and good.